Back on this debate tonight, Krishna Hegde, Deputy Leader and Spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, joins us. Also, Chandrasekhar Jha, Shiv Sena UBT spokesperson, joins us on the debate, and so does senior journalist Pankaj Sharma.
17 times that he will take action and do the needful, and the culprits will not be allowed to get away, irrespective of their political ideology. Devendra Fadnavis.
Now, Pankaj Sharma, if I'll just go across to him. Sanju, I'll come back to you. Let me just come back to you. Mr. Sharma, all I'm saying is there are people from different regions of the country who are staying in Maharashtra. Now, the MNS goons are on a rampage. They want to threaten, they want to beat up people. As now, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray being on the same platform, I don't know if I can call them now. Raj Thackeray also somebody who's in alliance with now the Congress party as well, because he's with Uddhav now. What is happening? Why is the Congress party not speaking against it? Why are they so afraid of speaking against MNS, speaking against the UBT netas?
Because MNS is responsible.
Yes,
the hooliganism in the name of any language must be curbed by the governments of any political party in any state, including Maharashtra. See, this rowdyism by MNS workers, the violence, the verbal abuse should not be tolerated. How can MNS or anyone for that matter claim the ownership of Bombay or Maharashtra or on the Marathi language? See, I am not a Marathi speaking man, but I have read the translated works of Sant Gyaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, Sant Ramdas, Vishnu Sakharam Chandekar, Pullu Deshpande, Ranjit Desai, Vranda Karandikar, even Anna Bhau Sathe, Daya Pawar, Babu Rao Bakul. So those who are beating, humiliating, compelling non-Marathi speaking people to apologize on the streets, BJP is involved.
No, but Uddhav Thackeray is backing them, no? Uddhav Thackeray is backing them in a public platform, coming on stage together and saying, if I want to defend Marathi, if they call me a gunda, I'm ready to be a gunda. If they say this, if they think that I'm a gunda, then I will be called a gunda, is what he's saying. So what does that mean? You're standing with Raj Thackeray and you're saying this, and you know the background. So what are you trying to insinuate? You're trying to tell people that if you're not going to speak in Marathi, this is the beating you're going to get.
And why can't Congress condemn Uddhav Thackeray? ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है आपकी, Mr. Sharma? Rahul Gandhi और Uddhav Thackeray की दोस्ती इतनी ज्यादा
Uddhav Thackeray is promoting this, he should also be
दोस्ती तो बीजेपी और एमएनएस की भी
थी. BJP is involved, BJP is prompting, BJP is promoting.
Just you condemn Uddhav Thackeray's goons. I have done that. Condemn Raj Thackeray's goons. I have done that. Devendra Fadnavis has also condemned Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray's gundas, and also
the BJP is promoting is the allegation. The BJP is promoting is the allegation. Mr. Sharma, there are so many Maharashtrians who are coming in and saying that this is not us. We can't be beating up people. This is just a section of political workers who are doing this. We take pride in our language, everyone does, but this is not us.
Taking pride in a language is a different thing, but these people are language naxals. They are linguistic extremists. They are fanatics. They are lunatics. Anyone promoting them is involved in the heinous crimes of linguistic carnage. Let me tell you, I am afraid that this radicalism, will rather than make Marathi flourish, will convert Maharashtra.
Exactly, I agree. And it is important that all political parties speak against it. All political parties, because this is going to become a menace and it will be only affecting the poor people on the street. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me on the debate.